If you're seeing the Telegram error email not allowed, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it and get back into your account. This issue usually happens when Telegram doesn't trust the email you're using, or when your login session gets flagged by anti-spam protections. The good news is that there are a few simple steps you can try right away, and most of them take just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and app tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing to check is your email provider. If you're using a temporary email, a disposable inbox, or a less common domain, Telegram may block it automatically. A lot of users have reported that switching to a standard Gmail address can solve the problem immediately, so if possible, try a trusted email service like Gmail and make sure the address is active, accessible, and not linked to any suspicious activity. If Telegram is rejecting the email before you can continue, this simple change is often the fastest fix. Next, log in through the official Telegram mobile app first. This is really important because Telegram often trusts a fully authenticated mobile session more than a fresh login attempt on the desktop. Open Telegram on your smartphone, complete the sign-in process there, and make sure you're fully inside your account. If you're already logged in on your phone, that gives you a much better chance of connecting your PC client successfully. In many cases, the mobile app acts like a trusted device and helps confirm that your account is legitimate. Once you're signed in on mobile, use the QR code login method on your PC. On the Telegram desktop client, choose the option to log in with a QR code instead of typing in your email details again. Then open the camera inside the already logged in Telegram app on your phone and scan the code on your screen. This method is usually smoother because it links your desktop session to your verified mobile session. If Telegram was blocking the email-based login, QR code login can often bypass that issue completely. If you still keep getting the error, the next step is patience. Stop trying to log in for a full 24 hours. I know that can be frustrating, but repeated attempts can make the issue worse by triggering more anti-spam protection. Telegram may temporarily flag your IP address, device, or session if it sees too many failed sign-in attempts, it says. Waiting a day gives those temporary restrictions time to clear. After 24 hours, try again once using the mobile app or QR login, and avoid rapid repeated attempts. To get the best results, follow these steps in order. First, switch to a standard email, like Gmail, if your current one is suspicious or disposable. Second, make sure you're fully logged in on the official Telegram mobile app. Third, use QR code login on desktop. And fourth, wait 24 hours if the problem still won't go away. That combination solves the error for many users. Also, make sure you're using the official Telegram app and not a modified or unofficial client, because that can create extra login problems. And if you're on a shared network, public Wi-Fi, or VPN, try switching to a normal home connection for the next login attempt. A cleaner connection can sometimes help Telegram trust the session more easily. If this video helped you fix the Telegram email/not allowed error, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Telegram issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.